Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. January 9th. Yes, it is Tuesday. This is just a quick report or update on, I think it's day number 27, something like that, where we're going, how my trading went for the day. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. I had to cut my stream short today, had issues at work that had to be taken care of. So we took only two trades. No, we took three. We took a trade here. This trade here was not actually a great trade. I mean, it was a great entry. I love the setup. I got a little bit too impatient on this runner. So going into today, obviously after a day like yesterday, we had a huge move higher yesterday, very bullish. And going into today, I was just a little hesitant and I was a little skeptical that we're going to have another bullish day. And I was just being very careful. And that's kind of what caused me to take profits here and not. Usually I like to get a runner going. And of course, the one time I'm impatient, we have an opportunity for a perfect runner. So that was a little bit unfortunate. But again, it was a winning trade. I'm not going to try and harp on that too much. Took another trade here and then took another trade here. This was actually off stream that I took in between me making different runs to the warehouse and stuff. But yeah, end of the day, $466 in profit on this 150K account, which brings our balance on this 150K account to $1,157. And here is my TradeZella report on it. You can see here as well. But yeah, very nothing to complain about. It's still early. Not getting too excited either. It's just we've had two pretty good days. Actually, was pretty happy. Took this trade and the rest of the day, we kind of just went sideways. We just a lot of choppiness here. So I'm actually really thankful that I didn't trade this afternoon. Likely would have gotten chopped up here. I usually do not trade the sideways sessions very well. So we will take it. Now switching to our 150K accounts. Pretty much had a break-even day on that. The three accounts here, I actually, those were accounts I kind of put on one micro, and I went and did a couple runs, and it ended up stopping me out. I had a really big stop, and it was basically kind of close to the highs here somewhere where I entered, and it ended up stopping me out, which was a little bit unfortunate, but sometimes I'll do that to just see if we can't get a runner going on a nice uptrending day, which at the time seemed like it was an uptrending day, but then the market did pull back and then just kind of went sideways the rest of the day. So it's totally fine. Not that big of a deal. I had four other accounts here that were 50 some dollars in the green, and basically ended the day on these 50 accounts. Let me just switch to those real quick on TradeZella. And here we go. So this is where we're at on this. I think it was a $7 loss today on these accounts. But yeah, not really anything of newsworthy out of those accounts. I traded the lower balances today. The last couple of days I was trading the high balances, and I decided to switch today and trade some of these lower balances, but obviously it didn't work out, but not a big deal. All right, that's it. That's all we got. We will be back tomorrow morning streaming live, 9:15. Come join us if you don't mind. And thanks for tuning in. I appreciate every one of you. Have a great rest of your evening, and God bless.